Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a typical wash day. So I start by making my hair damp by pouring some water on my hair. Actually, prior to now, the previous night I did a hot oil treatment. I used Olina Organics hot oil treatment. I applied it on my scalp and on my hair strands, and then I placed a plastic bag over my hair. I plan to sleep with it throughout the night, but when I woke up, it wasn't on my on my head, so I believe it came off. I can't really say what time it came off. So I like to apply my shampoo twice. I noticed that the first time I apply the shampoo, it doesn't really lather well, and when I rinse it off, the water doesn't look clear. It actually looks dirty. So it's normally after the second application of the shampoo when it lathers and when I rinse it off and see clear water coming out. That's when I know I've done justice to my hair. That's when I think I've washed my hair very well. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about. You can see that it's beginning to form lather. I'm using the tips of my fingers to massage my scalp, and in the process I'm equally scrubbing my scalp. The shampoo also gets to touch my hair strands also, not just the scalp. So after that I rinse it off. Actually, it's stressing me sick protein and argan oil shampoo. I got it from my mom when I went to visit her. I don't really have a favorite shampoo yet. After rinsing off this shampoo, the next step for me is to apply a deep conditioner. Meanwhile, I had relaxer done 2 weeks ago and I used a protein deep conditioner, and this time around I'm equally using the same deep conditioner. That's a mega growth deep conditioner. It contains protein, but at the moment that's the deep conditioner I have available. I hope it does not cause protein overload, but I doubt it will cause protein overload because my hair is just nearly relaxed, and normally it's advised that after applying a relaxer to do a protein treatment. So I think I'm still safe. To go ahead with a protein deep conditioner. So I'm going to apply the deep conditioner on my hair, just like applying the relaxer. I make sure every part of my hair gets the deep conditioner, my roots, my ends, the mid part of my hair. I normally divide my hair into 3 or 4 sections, and I try to make sure every part of my hair gets the deep conditioner. Normally, after applying the deep conditioner, I get to apply heat on my hair so that the deep conditioner can penetrate very well into my hair strands. Normally, you can stay under a hooded dryer or use a blow dryer that has a wood attachment, which I have. However, today was different because there was no light. No light in the sense that there was power outage, aka NEPA took the light. So for those of you that are not in Nigeria, NEPA taking the lights actually means that there's power outage, which was the case today. And since I had already started, there was no going back. So I'm going to show you very soon the alternative when one does not have electric power supply. an alternative way of producing steam and heat in order for the deep conditioner to work very well. So I boiled water, poured it in a flask, got a towel and poured a little of the hot water in the towel. I squeezed the towel in order to get rid of excess water, because since it's very hot, I wouldn't like it to drip on me, because any drop on my skin may cause a scald. So I wrapped the towel over my hair. It actually looks very funny. And then I got a large plastic bag and tied it around the towel. Prior to putting the towel, I'd already put a plastic bag over my hair. I did this about 2 or 3 times because it kept getting cold after some minutes. So I used Mega Growth Deep Conditioner and Olina Hair Fertilizing Serum to deep condition my hair. So this is my hair after rinsing out the deep conditioner. The deep conditioner remained and I don't like wastage, so I had to apply it on my hair as a leave-in. Well, it's also part of the instructions that it can be used as a leave-in conditioner. Oh Lord, see my edges off. Oh Lord, save my edges. Please restore my edges off. So I'd like you to leave in the comment section if you've experienced this before. You were trying to do a deep conditioner and there was no power supply, and if there are alternative ways to deep conditioning with heat when there's no electricity. So now this is the time for a length check. I realized it was becoming too boring checking my hair length every month. Moreover, the growth wasn't too significant, so I decided to do it every 2 months. So it turned out to be 3 inches, meaning that I've grown 3 inches in 10 months. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you later.